So I've been talking a lot about stress lately, and many of you probably know that stress less is a pillar of living a nutritious life. But many people are still unaware of the connection between the brain and the gut and how our gut health impacts our stress levels and how our stress levels impact our gut health as well. So there's something that's known as the gut-brain axis. It's that constant communication between the gut and the brain. So the gut-brain axis is that complex communication network between the HPA axis, which is the hypothalamus pituitary adrenal axis, and the autonomic central nervous system and enteric nervous system. So you may be wondering, what does this have to do with our gut health and stress? Well, your good gut bacteria play a very active role here. They assist in the production of messenger signals and hormones that communicate between the brain and the gut. The specific composition of bacteria can influence what is communicated to the brain and vice versa. And changes to our gut microbiome can influence everything from memory to brain fog to anxiety, mood imbalance. And actually, research has shown that poor microbiome has been linked to Alzheimer's disease and dementia.